Hi guys, Dirk here at Aussie Powersports. Today I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on the Aurora lighting range that we stock here and all the different solutions that are available for your side-by-side or ATV. At Aussie Powersports, we stock the Aurora range of lighting products. So we've got LED light bars, work lights, and driving lights. So no matter the application that you're looking for your vehicle, we've got you covered. So I'll just quickly, first of all, run through the Aurora LED light bar range that we stock. We've got the smaller 6-inch 30-watt light. Now that's great for like a work light, reversing lights, or even on a smaller ATV. Then we've got the dual row 100-watt light. This one is probably the most popular for the front of your side-by-side or ATV vehicles. It's quite compact, but throws a really good light. And then finally, we've got the 20-inch 200-watt light. So you could use this on your four-wheel drive or on your side-by-side vehicle. All of these have what's called a combination of a spot and flood beam. So the center of the light's going to throw out your spot beam, and then it's going to give you like your flood lighting on the sides. So really great solution. Different sizes, going to be great for all your different applications. We've also got a little range of work lights here. Now they range from little 20-watt ones, which are just good for camping lights in both spot and flood, up to we've got 40-watt larger ones. Now they're actually really good for the side of your vehicle if you're a hunter. They throw out a good light, but they're still quite compact. And also if you're going to be flush mounting trays or anything like that, we've got a solution there covered as well. And then we get up into the bigger, what we call the driving light range. So 6-inch rectangular, 100-watt, 7-inch, 105-watt round, and then we've got the really big flagship 9-inch with side shooter, 205-watt each light. So we've got those on our personal vehicle. They are awesome. So no matter what the LED lighting solution is, Aussie Powersports has got you covered with the Aurora lighting range. If you want any more details or detailed specs on the lights, jump online, www.aussiepowersports.com, or give the team a call and they can hook you up. Until next time, ride hard and stay safe.